I am Tuti Octavia and friend. We are from Unisma University 2025. My title of presentation today about probabilistic buckling analysis on light steel compression member. Outline. Capture 1. Introduction. Capture 2. Literature review. Capture 3. Research methodology. Capture 4. Data analysis and discussion. Capture 5. Conclusion and suggestion. Background. Construction material. Increasing innovating in structure material, light steel becoming widely used due to efficiency and durability. Cold-form steel or CFS allows mass production with consistent quality. Background. Cold forming process. Cold forming shapes steel sheet at room temperature. C profile shaping process include multiple roll forming stages. More forming stages, better dimension accuracy. Background type of imperfection. Common geometry imperfection in CFS, they are crown, dent, twist, flare, overband, bow, and chamber. Imperfection affect load capacity and buckling resistance. And how about industry challenges? Rapid housing development increase the demand for efficient material. Like steel popularity rises, but imperfection in manufacturing remain a challenge. Imperfection directly influence in structural safety. Problem identification. Line steel compression members are sensitive to buckling. Linear analysis assumes perfect geometry unrealistic. A real structure contains non-deterministic imperfection. Problem identification 2. Need for research about different manufacturing technique create different imperfection. Imperfection pattern affect buckling differently. Probabilistic approach required to understand real behavior. Problem formulation. Number one, what is the probabilistic behavior of geometric imperfection? Number two, how do imperfection affect probability buckling analysis? Number three, what is the impact of geometry imperfection on load capacity? Scope of research. Focus on code from steel compression member. Number two, probabilistic analysis of geometric imperfection. Number three, use Fourier coefficient to modeling imperfection. Nonlinear buckling analysis. Be- benefit of the study is improved understanding of real structure behavior, provide input for structure design and manufacturing tolerances, and support revision of national standard or SNI if required. Literature review. Co-form steel. Behavior governed by geometric stability and material strength. Susceptibility to local, distortional, and global buckling. Standard use SNI A3 A399 2017, AICI S 100. Literature review, geometric imperfection analysis. Imperfection significantly reduce buckling capacity. Fourier series widely used to model random imperfection pattern. How about literature review? Probability method. Structure behavior often non-deterministic. Random variable geometric deviation, material property variation. Probabilistic method include regression, Monte Carlo sensitivity analysis. Hypothesis. H1. Geometric imperfection follow identifiable statistical distribution. H2. Large imperfection result in grating capacity reduction. H3. Fourier coefficient can represent imperfection shapes. H4. Buckling capacity decrease nonlinear with imperfection magnitude. Research methodology overview. Step 1, literature review. Step 2, data collection. Step 3, Fourier Fourier transformation. Step 4, statistics distribution fitting. Step 5, ANSYS simulation. Step 6, parametric study. Step 7, result evaluation. Data collection. Secondary data from previous measurement. Use the truncated count imperfection measurement database from Variat Mono in 1994. Conversion circular data to linear coordinate. Fourier analysis. Imperfection model as Fourier series. Coefficient represent amplitude of imperfection mode. MATLAB R2021A used for processing. Fourier mode shape. Mode shape represent bending curvature along member lengths used as input for VA model imperfection shape. Mode shape analyzed from minus 50% to plus 50% standard deviation. Probabilistic buckling analysis. We use ANSYS Workbench 2022 L1 used for simulation. Nonlinear buckling considered. Imperfection introduced as initial geometric deviation. PCR, Euler buckling capacity. PCR equal P quadrat AI per L quadrat. E 200,000 MPa. L 455.45 millimeter. All mean equal 1.0328 millimeter. Probabilistic buckling analysis. We use ANSYS Workbench 2022 R1 used for simulation. Nonlinear buckling considered. Imperfection introduced as initial geometric deviation. Euler buckling capacity formulation. PCR equal P square AI per L square. There is A 200,000 MPa, L 455.45 millimeter. I mean is 1.0328 millimeter power of 4. Sample case, initial deflection. Example, imperfection is 3, 9, 15 millimeter. Load apply 1 Newton incrementally. Relationship between deformation and reaction force analyzed. Result, imperfection profiles. Generated 11 imperfection profiles. Range, mean minus 50% standard deviation to mean of plus 50% standard deviation. Used for parametric simulation. Result, load capacity reduction. Imperfection minus 1% of member lengths within allowable limit of SNI A3399 2017, yet capacity reduction rank of 0.458% to 29%. Result nonlinear behavior. Relationship between imperfection magnitude and capacity is non-linear. Unexpected result minus 20% standard deviation imperfection yields highest buckling load. Discussion. Imperfection greatly influence buckling even below SNE tolerances. Fourier modeling needs refinement for more accurate representation. Behavior affected by combined local and global modes. Conclusion. Key finding. Buckling capacity is probabilistic. Maximum reduction is 28.9%. Imperfection magnitude does not always correlate linearly with capacity reduction. Conclusion. Fourier representation. Fourier series expected to model imperfection accurately. Limitation in data set prevented ideal representation. More precise measurement technique recommended. Suggestion. Number 1, investigated why minus 20% standard deviation imperfection produce highest capacity. Number 2, re-evaluated tolerances in SNI A399 2017. Conduct further experiment measurement. That number 3. And number 4 is explore advantages probabilistic model. Monte Carlo simulation. Okay, so that's the presentation for this time. I will close by saying Alhamdulillah, Alhamdulillah, Rabbil Alamin. Thank you for watching.